Hi there, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins with one more look at. There's a chance for snow, just a chance. So I'm going to throw this on YouTube real quick. If you want to see more like this, subscribe, click the little bell thing so you know when I do more updates. So you're the first to know. I mean, this is usually the first thing I do that goes out into the public, talking about snowfall potential. So if you follow me here, you're like on the cutting edge of where all the newest information from me anyway will be found. So here we go. This is model number 1. You'll notice that most of the snowfall stays into the panhandle and south, most of them. This one, for instance, 1 to 2 inches in the panhandle, and then on the along and south of Interstate 80, there's kind of some hit and miss snow showers on that model number 1. Model number 2, kind of the same thing, maybe a little more snow, but not a lot. I mean, we're talking like a ½ an inch here and there, more in the panhandle, but when I say more, it's less than 2 inches. So this isn't a big storm, but we could see some minor accumulations. Model number 3, much of the same, even kind of less. I mean, you're looking at not even an inch anywhere across the state. So that's model number 3. Model number 4, Wednesday night into Thursday, a touch more in the panhandle, and then a little more in southeast Nebraska. So again, that's this one's kind of an outlier, not convinced. This doesn't make sense of how most snowstorms perform, but it still says a chance for snow out west, and then kind of another chance along and south of Interstate 80, but the southeastern corner of the state. So it's still there. It's still kind of along the same lines. Model number 5, also an interesting one where it has most of the heavier snow in western Nebraska, and then the swath along and south of Interstate 80, but some creeping up a little further north. But you notice what all of these are doing. It's panhandle and areas south, and model number 6 also doing the same thing. A little more vigorous on the snowfall potential for south central Nebraska with 2 or 3, 4 inches there, a couple 2 or 3 inches in the panhandle, but again, west and south. So that makes sense. So that's kind of what I'm going to do here. I'm going to paint a rain-snow mix potential less than an inch for most of the state from along and south of Interstate, near Interstate 80 and south, and then a couple of inches possible in the panhandle, maybe southwestern Nebraska. That's kind of the feeling I'm getting from all of these different models. So that's the information I have for you right now. You can follow me on all my other social media channels. Again, the YouTube one is kind of where I post everything first, so if you follow me there, you'll know first. That's it. See ya.